Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate jelly with Agar Agar. Start by blooming agar powder in cold liquid for a few minutes, then heat gently until fully dissolved. Add cocoa and sugar, whisking until smooth and combined. Simmer briefly to activate the agar, pour into molds, and chill until set. Follow the timing and ratios I describe for consistent, glossy jelly every time, whether you want firm slices or softer cups. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Measure liquids in agar precisely, and sift cocoa to avoid lumps. Warm the milk gently while whisking in cocoa and sugar so everything dissolves evenly. Use a non-reactive saucepan and a reliable whisk for a silky texture. Prearrange molds and a small strainer to catch any remaining solids, then proceed to dissolve and simmer until the agar is fully activated. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet after standing in the kitchen. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfortable socks that actually last. They make long cooking sessions much more pleasant, and I love the cushioning during recipe testing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a steady sequence. Bloom agar in cold liquid, whisk in cocoa and sugar, then heat to a low boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Keep constant stirring to prevent scorching and ensure even gelatinization. Taste and adjust sweetness while warm, but remember chilling will slightly mute flavors. Pour through a sieve to remove any clumps, fill molds, and let cool to room temperature before refrigerating to fully set into a firm, shiny chocolate jelly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.